The Emirates Airbus. A380 is the world's largest passenger airliner, and its takeoff and landing are some of the most fascinating parts of its operation. Here's how it works. 1. Taxi and lineup. The aircraft taxis to the runway under the guidance of the pilots and air traffic control. Once cleared, it lines up on the center line. 2. Engine power-up. The A380 uses 4 Rolls-Royce Trent 900 or Engine Alliance GP 7200 engines. Pilots advance the thrust levers to takeoff power, TUAGA. The engines spool up, producing over 300,000 pounds of thrust combined. 3. Acceleration and rotation. The aircraft accelerates along the runway. Because of its size, it needs longer runways, around 2,700–3,000 meters. At VR, rotation speed approximately 150–170 knots depending on weight, the pilot gently pulls back on the side stick. The nose lifts, followed by the main landing gear. 4. Initial climb. Gear is retracted, flaps gradually reduced. The A380 climbs steadily, often at 2,000 plus feet per minute despite its huge size. 1. Approach. The aircraft begins descent well before the airport, managed by autopilot and air traffic control. Pilots set up landing flaps and lower landing gear. 2. Final approach. The A380 lines up with the runway at a typical approach speed of approximately 140–150 knots. Its advanced fly-by-wire system and massive wings give it very stable handling. 3. Touchdown. At about 30–50 feet above the runway, pilots gently flare the nose. The main landing gear touches down first, followed by the nose gear. 4. Deceleration. Reverse thrust is applied on the outboard engines, not the inboard, to avoid debris ingestion. Spoilers deploy and wheel brakes engage. The aircraft slows to taxi speed and exits the runway. What makes Emirates A380 special? Smooth ride due to size and advanced systems. Quiet cabin during takeoff and landing compared to smaller jets. Iconic double-deck view when looking out the window at airports.